because we love Mr. DIY so much, and we want to bring the authenticity that we have in our videos, in our travel videos, how we are as a family, to even the brand that we are representing, which is Mr. DIY. The authenticity that comes with the brand is really very special to us, and I hope that it resonates with everything that the brand does for the Filipino people.
Yes, I agree with Cheska, and first things first. Thank you to Miss Roselle and Charles and everyone behind the marketing team of Mr. DIY. We are honored to be with them for the second straight year, and I think it's because of the trust they have in us in order to reach more Filipinos and to make sure that we can convey that Mr. DIY is the family marketplace, or the word familihan. Big and small, diba? For everything that we need at home, Mr. DIY has it.